Hey everyone, today we're going over the scanner. What is it? How do you use it? And I'm going to answer all these questions and more in this video. Let's get started. First off, what even is a scanner? Well, a scanner is a device that can capture an image of a document or photo and convert it to a digital file so that you can store it on your computer, edit it, send it to someone else, print it out, and more. A scanner does not have a screen or keyboard. Instead, it connects to your computer and uses its software to control it. There are three basic types of scanners: USB scanners, network scanners, and wireless scanners. A USB scanner is the most common type, and all you need to do is plug the USB cable into your scanner and then into your computer, and it will work. If you have a network scanner, it connects to your network via an Ethernet cable, or it can connect to your Wi-Fi network. Just make sure it's connected to the same network as your computer. If you have a wireless scanner, just make sure it's connected to your local network and it should work. After connecting your scanner to your computer, you'll likely need to install some drivers. Drivers are small programs that allow your operating system to communicate with your hardware like your scanner. The easiest way to find drivers for your scanner is to use the installation CD that came with it. But if you don't have that, you can go to the manufacturer's website and download the latest drivers there. Most modern scanners use plug and play. This means when you plug them in, Windows will automatically install the correct driver and you won't have to do anything. Next, you may see a dialog box pop up asking you where you want to install the scanner drivers. If it doesn't, you can go into your control panel, then Programs, then Install Shield, and then follow the instructions. After the installation finishes, you'll need to restart your computer before you can use the scanner. Once the drivers are installed, you might also need to install some software. Some scanners come bundled with their own software, and you'll want to install that if you plan on using the scanner. But you don't necessarily have to use that software. There are plenty of other options. Windows comes bundled with its own scanning software called Windows Fax and Scan. And if you want some free open source software, you can check out NAPS too. You can also purchase commercial software like VuaScan, which supports hundreds of scanners. VuaScan costs about $80, but you only need to buy it once, and you can use it on multiple computers. Now let's go over how to use a scanner. Let's say I want to scan this document here. I'm going to place it on the scanner bed, and now I'm going to open my scanning software. Now you'll want to select what you're scanning. In this case, I'm scanning a document, so I'll click on that option. Next, you'll want to choose what type of file you want to save. In this case, I want to save it as a PDF, so I'll choose that option. From here, I can adjust some settings like the resolution, color mode, and more. Once I'm done, I can preview what it will look like, and if I like it, I can click on Scan, and now it's saved to my computer. Let's go over some common scanner settings. Resolution refers to how many pixels are used to display an image. The higher the resolution, the larger the file size, but the better the quality. For documents, 300 dpi is usually sufficient. However, for photos, you may want to use 600 dpi or even higher. Color mode refers to whether you want to scan in black and white, grayscale, or color. For documents, grayscale or black and white is usually fine. However, for photos, you'll probably want to scan in color. File format refers to the type of file that you want to save. PDF is good for documents, while JPEG is better for photos. TIFF is a file format that supports high-quality images. Destination refers to where you want to save the file. You can also choose the file name here. Now let's say your scanner isn't working. Here are some things to try. First, check all connections and make sure everything is plugged in properly. If a wireless scanner is not working, make sure it's charged and nearby. If it's still not working, try restarting your scanner and your computer. If that doesn't work, try reinstalling the drivers. And if that doesn't work, try plugging it into a different USB port. If none of those options work, there could be a problem with your scanner or the software. In that case, you'll need to contact the manufacturer for help. Let's say you've tried using your scanner, but the quality of the scans aren't very good. Here are some tips to improve the quality of your scans. Make sure the glass is clean and free of scratches. Higher resolution usually means better quality, but it also means larger file sizes. Try adjusting the brightness and contrast settings to get the best looking image. Make sure your documents are placed flat on the scanner bed. If you're scanning a photo, make sure it's free of wrinkles and other damage. If you're still having trouble, you can try using a different scanner or getting help from a professional. If you're looking for advanced features, many scanners offer OCR or optical character recognition. This feature can convert your scanned documents into editable text. To use OCR, you'll first need to install some software. Once the software is installed, simply highlight the text and press Ctrl+C to copy it. Then go to your word processor and press Ctrl+V to paste it. Many scanners also have an automatic document feed or a DF. This allows you to load up multiple pages and scan them automatically. Each page will be separated by a blank page in the output file. To use the ADF, simply load the pages into the feeder and start the scan. Some scanners also support duplex scanning. This means they can scan both sides of the page automatically. To enable duplex scanning, simply select the option in the scanning software. If you want to learn more about scanners, you can check out the resources in the description. I hope this video helped you learn about scanners. If it did, please leave a like. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and I'll try to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.